As I record this message today, I'm just about to leave to drive up to Worley in Lancashire for our first in-person retreat of the year. The weather has changed, the sun is shining pretty much everywhere around the country, and there's a real sense of joy in the air, and certainly our daily word reflects that today. Joy is the foundation of my happy, fulfilling life. And we take that joy with us as we come together in our retreat at Worley Abbey today, this weekend. And also, my mind is moving forward to our celebration day, which we are holding in Birmingham this year. Another opportunity to get together in person. And there really is a sense of joy when we come together, meeting people, friends we haven't seen perhaps for a long time, or making new friends, building connections. That spiritual support that unity provides is like one big family hug. So I'm looking forward to our retreat now this weekend, but also looking forward to our celebration day. The details are on our website. Do have a look. The details are also in our July-August daily word. We're inviting everybody to come in person, share a hug, share some music, share prayer. We're having workshops online and in person in the room. We're using technology to the fullest capacity that we can possibly do. And as you can see, there is joy in my heart as I talk about it and think about it and as we prepare for it. So I wish you and affirm for you a joy-filled month of July. And if you can join us in Birmingham, please do. We'd love to see you and share a big unity hug with you. Bless you.